simple, guys. It was simple, okay? Like, simple. I just got home. Okay? I'm mad as fuck. How the fuck do I pay $75 for some nails and the bow literally just popped off? I just got it done 2 hours ago. I'm so fucking sick of nail techs. Like, and this is why I do my own hair. This is why I do my own eyebrows. Like, my lash check is solid. Like, but yo, I swear on everything I love, mark it. I'm doing my own nails from now on. I know how to do nails too. I just don't because it's mad fucking time. Who got time? Look. Cute, right? No. Look at this. And then look how she applied the... It's okay. I have nail shit here. I'm gonna fix it. Oh my God, I hate mother. It's okay. We ain't gonna let nobody ruin our vibe. You know what I'm saying? I didn't get my money no more. I'm leaving a bad review. Dead ass. But anyway. Alright, so you guys want to know more about UTIs and yeast infections, right? So I'm gonna tell you basically the symptoms for each and how to catch it before it fully comes, and how to keep it away in the first place. So we're gonna start with UTI. So UTIs, you can tell you have a UTI when you pee. Okay, so you feel like you have the urgency to pee. Like every 2 minutes, you're like, oh my God, I gotta drizzle again. I just peed like that. Boom. If you always have to pee, and even after you're done peeing, you still have to pee. Like, and then when you're peeing at the end, like it burns. It burns, and then you feel that sensation in your hoo-na-na-na, like for a good maybe like half an hour, 45 minutes right after. So that's for UTIs. That could come from sex. That could come from not drinking enough water. Baby, you gotta drink your water, baby. But yeah, that could come from not drinking enough water. Yeah, this is who I know. Or just like a lot of things, honestly. It could come from like the fabric of your fucking underwear or your towel. Like, and guys, I'm gonna keep saying this because it's important. Sassy, you wanna say hi, baby? Okay. So, look at her fucking, look. Alright, so yeah, sex, you definitely can get it from sex. You can get it from a toy. You know, if you're using a toy and you didn't clean it good enough, you get UTI from that. You get UTI from dirty fingernails under, like, your towel. Make sure, I always highly request, like, do not towel dry your unanan. Or if you do, like, have a specific towel for that and change it and wash it often. Or you could just use paper towel, baby. You know, Bounty, do a little dab. When you get out the shower, make sure you dry that. That's really important. Like in between the lips. You gotta put it in between the lips because it's gonna get clammy. It's gonna get clammy. When it get clammy, you don't want that. But anyway, okay, so now how I got rid of mine, I used to get them all the fucking time. The main reason I was getting them is because I wasn't drinking enough water. That was like the main reason. So as soon as you start feeling that sensation, you know, that it feels like you have to pee, and it's like constantly, like even after you're done peeing, you still gotta pee. Y'all know what sensation I'm talking about if you've ever had it. It's like an urge to pee. I want you to take 2 bottles of water, guzzle it down, guzzle, like, for real, as many bottles of water as you could guzzle down in the first place. And if you do that, as soon as you start to feel it, it won't even come. It won't even come. Now, if it's already there, you have the pain, you have the sensation, do this, and on everything I fucking love, that's just going to be gone by the time you wake up. So you're going to get a shot of water, and you're going to put maybe like a tablespoon or 2 tablespoons of baking soda in the shot water. Cold, warm, doesn't matter. Warm, it dissolves better. And then you're going to mix it, baby. Take that shot. Take that shot. Take that baking soda shot. That shit will be gone. That shit will be gone. That shit will be gone. Trust me. Okay? You're welcome. Again, these are holistic remedies because I don't really... I do everything holistically. Fuck that. All right. Next, no, I just said UTI, bitch. Yeast infections. Okay, so yeast infection is basically an overproduction of yeast. Okay. So you could get yeast infections kind of from the same thing. Like that's basically like towels, you know, fabric, polyester underwear being too tight, not enough breathing room down there. You know what I'm saying? All that. And now, signs of that is your discharge will have like a cottage cheese like texture. There's not really a scent or anything. From what I, experience, there's no yeast scent. Some people say it smell like bread, but I don't think about that. I ain't never seen that before. You know what I'm saying? So, to get rid of that, you could do two things. So, one, apple cider vinegar. Remember how I told you to stand in the shower under the water, right? Like this. Take the apple cider vinegar, pour it, and boom, rinse with water. So you're standing under the shower is hitting it, okay? And then pouring it, and then boom, washing. Okay, that gets rid of the yeast infection. That will stop the itchiness really quick. So yeah, cottage cheese like texture of your discharge, and it's itchy. It's so fucking itchy, and it kind of has like a cloudy color-ish, but it's still white-ish. But yeah, so you could do that. That gets rid of it. You have to do that at least twice a day. I would want to say, if you don't want to do it in the shower, girl, just take a regular bottle, put water, put apple cider vinegar, mix it, and when you're peeing in the toilet, whatever, real quick. Okay, make sure you pat that dry completely. Okay, and then another thing you could do, this is the last thing, so go to the store, get non-fat Greek yogurt. Yes, non-fat Greek yogurt. Okay, so what you can either do is you could take some, put your finger, boop, you can insert it like that. You could take make sure your hands are clean. You need or you could take like a tampon applicator, like push the tampon out, and you could literally like just glop some in there and then and it'll push it up. Or you could literally just get a pad and put some on the pad and put it on. Same thing. That's gonna get rid of it too. Straight up. Like 2 days? If that. You're welcome, baby. Y'all already know. Listen, every time I tell you some shit, it's gonna be some holistic shit to do at home. On God. Because I'm sorry, all these other ways and shit like that, them shit be burning, man. Oh my God. The one fucking cream, bro. You gotta know what cream I'm motherfucking talking about. It's the cream that's, I'm not gonna say the name, but you already know. It's not, M ends with a T. Okay? That shit burns like there's no motherfucking tomorrow. God, that shit burns. No, I learned that lesson one, never have to do it again. And that's it for today's video. I love y'all so much, my muka butts, and I will see y'all in my next video. Love you. Go subscribe to all my other stuff. Go follow me on TikTok. Go follow me on Instagram. Go follow me on Snapchat, because I post on there all day, every day. This I just post on like once a day. And all the social media descriptions are gonna be in this video. And I love y'all. Oh my God, so much. Oh my God, y'all got a burp. I'll see y'all in the next video. I love y'all. Remember, you're beautiful, you're handsome, you're enough. Don't let anybody tell you about you. The sky isn't even the limit. Reach every motherfucking goal. And when someone's saying that you can't, they're projecting, and they mean that they can't, so they can kiss your ass, because of course they can't, but you can. I love you, my babies. Have a good day. Be positive and equal love. Why? Because love is the highest frequency. Sassy, come on. Say bye to the people. Come on. Get your baby. Look, they love you, Baba. They love you, Mama. Look, get your baby. They like you a lot. Yes, I love you too. All right, let's give you some treats. And I love y'all. And I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.